Real quick guys, this is just the sizzle reel, so if you'd like way more details, stick with us over the next couple of weeks as we release the entire full-length vlogs. Alright, either way, let's get this started. It's time for VidCon! Alright guys, finally I'm in VidCon. Today we're not really doing any classes, I'm just gonna take a look around. There's a concert later tonight that I'll probably attend. The power went out to the entire VidCon, and of course I'm on the very top floor, so I have to take 28 flights of stairs all the way to the top. Everything around me is out. All of VidCon, all of the hotel that I'm at. You know, these things usually don't last too long, so hopefully it comes back on really soon. It's the next day. I was just so exhausted last night. Well, the blackout fixed itself. Everything's back on. Initially I wanted to go to the concert for much longer. Either way, the blackout was like kind of an adventure anyway.